Face Swap. This software allows users to swap faces in videos and images using deep learning algorithms, creating realistic deepfakes. Deep Face Lab. This open-source software allows users to create high-quality deepfakes using a variety of algorithms and models. Fake App. This software allows users to create deepfakes using their own images and videos, and is popular among enthusiasts and hobbyists. Reddit's or Deepfakes. This subreddit is a community of users who share their own deepfake creations and discuss the latest developments in deepfake technology. Gone Breeder is a collaborative art tool for discovering images. Images are bred by having children, mixing with other images, and being shared via their URL.